game, but it's a visualization about how high value women improve a society. Very, I can't stop watching it and playing with it myself. So is go to howasyourfood.com/population balls. So this is what the site looks like when you first arrive. But you see the balls bouncing around and what have you. But you don't know exactly what this means. But I'm going to each color ball has its own characteristics. The yellow ball, the gray ball, the blue ball, and the brown ball. They all have their own rules and regulations on how they're created. So the pink ball is basically the woman striving for marriage, right? So let's go back and take a look. These balls bounce around randomly. All right, they look random. They are random, but each interaction means something. The way a pink ball is spawned, it either is present at the game start. You can when the game begins, you can dictate how many balls there are, pink balls there are, and other balls there are. Okay, so a pink ball is created when a green ball's fifth survivable encounter resolves to pink. There's a 50% chance of a green ball turning pink, and that's how we get the pink balls. Now, the pink ball does not kill. On a black ball's fourth encounter with the pink ball, the black ball turns white. The pink ball itself is unaffected and unchanged. So when a pink ball encounters a black ball for the same black ball for the fourth time, the black ball turns white. And we'll get into what the white ball does. All right, but we're still on the pink. So how does the pink ball die? The pink ball dies. It really doesn't die. It dies. It combines into a yellow ball if the same white ball interacts with it a second time. Both are, I guess, not really consumed, but they're married, and they turn into a yellow ball. Okay, and that yellow ball creates 4 green balls. All right, so let's show you how the pink ball and the white ball. So let's see how this plays out. We're going to start with 4 pink balls. This is the only balls that's going to be on the screen. 4 pink and 10 white, and we're just going to see the pink balls turn into yellow balls. All right, it's going to be in slow motion. This pink ball just hit a white ball. This is the white ball. I know it's gray, but they're white. And eventually the white ball is going to run into the same pink ball twice, and it's going to turn pink. It's going to turn yellow. Now they're moving randomly, so I could speed it up, but I like looking at the balls bounce around, to be honest with you. And eventually, one of these white balls is going to run into there we go. So a white ball just ran into a pink ball twice, and it turned to a yellow ball, and then it created 4 green balls. All right, and as we mentioned, see that green ball just turned pink because it encountered 4 survivable encounters, and it turned pink. It could either turn pink or white. So the green balls turn pink or white. Let's go back to the rules. Let's pause this. The green balls turn into white balls after 5 survivable encounters. The white balls do not kill, and they die. Well, they disappear when they combine with the pink ball and create a yellow ball, and they die when by a black ball on that black ball's 10th white ball encounter, and they die if it's the 4th ball a gray ball encounters. We'll get to gray balls in a minute. Now, the yellow ball, as we just witnessed, is created when a white ball and a pink ball interact for the second time, and they spawn 4 green balls. Okay? And the yellow balls do not kill. Now, the yellow balls represent family. Okay? Now, the purple balls they're present at game start, or they're spawned on the 3rd interaction between a green ball and a black ball. So if a green ball encounters a black ball 3 times, that green ball will turn purple. Okay. Now, the purple ball, they do not kill directly, but they do spawn 1 green ball after accumulating 5 white ball interactions. Okay, so basically, purple ball, once if they run into 5 white balls, they will have 1 offspring or 1 green ball. Okay. Now, brown balls. Brown balls, they don't kill directly, and every second encounter with a black ball, that black ball merges into the brown ball, and the black ball is consumed entirely. And the spawn can either be a gray ball or a green ball. So the brown balls, they only interact, well, not only interact, but they only mate with the black balls. Okay. And they consume the black ball, and the offspring is a 50-50 chance of being gray or being green. Okay. Now, let's talk about the gray ball. Oh, the brown ball also dies when a black ball, when a black ball 6 brown ball encounter. Okay. And it also dies if it's the 4th ball a gray ball interacts with. Now let's get to the gray ball. Gray balls, they're present at game start, or they're spawned when a black ball merges into a brown ball, and it could be a 50-50 of a green ball or a gray ball. A gray ball keeps a running counter across all its interactions. Every 4th interaction kills the other ball involved, not the gray ball itself. Then the counter resets to 0. So the gray ball kills every 4th ball it encounters. And the only way to kill a gray ball is it dies only if it interacts with 4 white balls in a row, a separate consecutive streak counter. Okay. It also dies instantly along with other balls if it collides with another gray ball. So the gray ball kills every 4th ball, and if one gray ball runs into another gray ball, they eliminate each other. That represents, like, gangbangers and bad just mishaps and accidents and everything like that. When a gray ball, you know, runs into another gray ball, they eliminate themselves, representing a society where, you know, it's just a bad outcome when two bad individuals run into each other. Now let's talk about the black ball. The black ball eliminates a white ball on its 10th white ball encounter. So there's that. And a purple ball on its 10th purple ball encounter. And a brown ball on the 6th brown ball encounter. Each a one-time threshold. No effect on yellow balls. That's the family. It's immune. Every third interaction with the green ball spawns a new purple ball. So the black balls are most, they have a very large impact on the game, but the yellow ball is immune from them. And the green ball, as I mentioned, it's produced every time a yellow ball is created. It can be a 50-50 chance when a brown and a black ball create a spawn, it could turn green. And the green balls represent offspring, of course. And every third interaction with the black ball spawns a purple ball. And it has, again, it turns every fifth encounter, survivable encounter, it'll turn white or pink. Okay. So that's how the game goes. I know it's a lot, but I find it fun to watch. I like testing out things. And let's go ahead and speed this up to see how this goes. Let's start over, actually. We have the 4 pink and 10 white. And I want to show you what's going to happen when we speed it up. And even down here, it has like a graph. So you can see what's going on here. It has a counter. It's like a simulation of a real environment, a real society. And it shows you how valuable a family is and how valuable high value women are. Again, we started with just 4 women striving for marriage and 10 guys, good guys. All right. So we have a thriving, look at this. Look at the chart here. Look at the yellows taking off. Now, if you notice, there's no purples, no grays, no blacks, no browns. And you can play with it all you want. You can start the game with 1 brown and 100 blacks, 1 pink, and you can see how it plays out. And you can speed it up as fast as you want to go. All right, so I find it fascinating personally. I created it myself. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what happened in your simulation. Thank you for watching.